In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily add apps in desktop here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So firstly, you need to proceed at the desktop screen, make a right click, and then in this kind of window, please click on personalize. So tap on it, and eventually you would be redirected to the settings. All you need to do is you need to proceed with personalization settings where you can see a list of the options. So from here, please locate with themes, tap on it. Okay, and from here under the themes, you need to scroll down and locate with desktop icon settings, tap on it, and in that way you would be able to bring up this kind of window which contains the desktop icons. So from here, all you need to do is you need to check the icons that you would like to show here at the desktop. So for example, you would like to show this PC, click on computer, click on apply, and it would be added here. So select any of this, just check it, click on apply and then okay, and it would be placed here to the desktop. Okay. So in order to add apps on the desktop, all you need to do is you need to proceed with the start icon, tap on it, and eventually you can see this kind of window. Please click on all, which is this one at the upper right side of the screen. And from here, you need to scroll down. So let's say, for example, you would like to add or create a desktop shortcut for WinRAR. All you need to do is you need to scroll down and locate with WinRAR. Click on this down arrow key and it would be placed here. Make a right click. Okay. Just make a right click to the WinRAR and please click on more and go with open file location. So tap on it and eventually you would be redirected to the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So here you need to make a right click again and go with this copy icon. Once done, close the window and here at the desktop make a right click and go with paste. And then that way you have just successfully placed or add an apps here in your desktop. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.